What's up, guys? Here we are again, more wiring. So today we are going to preparing for the ECU wiring. We're gonna get the wire for the ECU, which is all of this here, and I want to go inside the car. As you see that white pipe right there, so I can wire stuff through there. So I'm gonna, since everything is out, it's easier for me to see where I want my wiring to go. So I'm gonna try to route my big wire anywhere I want right now, probably all the way to the other side. And get all this ending close to, either close to the outside or out in here. So I don't know that yet. And we're gonna go back and put, if you see the dashes up there, we're gonna put the dash back in the car. So let's start doing it. All right, in the beginning I was gonna use the turn signal and all those stuff. I will not anymore. So this here gotta go. There's a block here. I could use this for something, but I honestly, the less I have, the better. So take this out of here. There you go. BMW has some cool stuff, like you pull a tab and then it comes off. You just gotta know all that, but it's pretty cool. So sadly we're not gonna use it. All right, so sit back and enjoy the fast forward. Alright, thing is prepared. The wire is there, tucked in behind the steering wheel. There's a little bit of leftover here, which I need. This wiring is for the brakes. This here for the sunroof, and this here just in case I want to wire. I just left in there, and that doesn't bother. And I have a lot of leftover here. Some wiring for the motor, which is this guy. And I guess that's pretty much it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna bring the dash, and I'm gonna put the dash in here. And let's see how it goes. The dash is there. Now I need to think where I'm gonna put the gauges, the buttons. I still want to put that gauge, the huge one, auto gauge that goes up here and has a shift light. But anyway, some buttons will be here, some buttons will be there. I might put something here because it's nice to have some space to put stuff. Shift is great in here. It doesn't bother anything. Yeah, so that's nice. I guess the ECU I could put it even in here and then cover with the airbag stuff. I just don't have the airbag anymore. And that piece that goes in here I might wrap in yellow. Alright, so all the steering wheel is situated already. I'm gonna put this on the side just for a minute So yeah, I think we got mostly everything we needed for this video. I don't want to make this too long and, you know, too boring to watch, because wiring is just boring or anyway. Next videos, as you see here, I have some of my gauges. I'll figure it out here where I'm going to put them, and we're going to start routing the oil sensor. This has a new oil sensor which has 3 wires. The OEM has only 1. I am going to remove that one and put this one in place, which means I need to make a little 1 wire and come back inside the engine. The other thing is I need to get this little hose here that came with the kit, and with the gauge I gotta go through the hole pretty easy the way the car is right now, and then I'm gonna put on top of my manifold. So anyway, watch my next video. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell. You're going to receive notifications every video I post. There's a bunch of cool stuff. I have 1 week to finish this car to see if I can go to Spokane County Raceway, and I hope I can. So I need to finish this, install the ECU, make the car run, and kind of tune it. So that's going to be a challenge, but let's do it. And I really appreciate our support, guys. Leave a little comment here if you have anything to say. You know how it goes. I'll see you on the next video. Look past my face. See status. I mean, it's at McDonald's. 20 miles to go.